This story is about Jayden Smith is very frustrating. It's disappointing, it's sad, and you put all of the word in where we describe something that is not too good when it comes to Jayden Smith. But today I'm going to talk about celebrities who stay silent on child disappearances in Jamaica. And Jayden Smith is one of them. The video discusses how Jamaican celebrities are unusually silent about the rising issue of missing children like Jayden Smith. Guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if it's not your first time here, welcome back. This is a reaction channel, guy. We don't fight, we don't argue. We're a very respectable channel. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because if you don't subscribe to the channel, you won't know so we post a reaction video out here every day. Now, despite the seriousness of the problem, stars are not speaking out, possibly due to fear of backlash. You never know. They might be afraid of threats or feeling their voices won't make a difference. But if they don't speak out, how are they going to know that their voices won't make a difference? The video suggests that celebrities could use their influence to raise awareness and push for change, and encourages them to break their silence to help address the crisis, because it is a crisis. I'm asking my viewers for their thoughts and urging more activism from public figures. Well, today, as I mentioned, we are talking about something really serious and honestly kind of shocking. And it's about the Jamaican celebrities. Yes, exactly, you hear what I'm saying. The Jamaican celebrities. Those big stars, musicians, athletes, you know what I'm talking about. Staying silent when kids are disappearing in Jamaica. Yeah, you heard that right. They're silent. So there's the 12-year-old boy named Jayden Smith, who went missing back in September 2025. And man, it's heartbreaking. But here's the thing. I've been watching and I've been putting videos out there myself, and I haven't seen any of our famous people even mention his name or speak out about it. Like, why is that? Let's break it down. Why are these big stars staying quiet? First, the problem is huge. You hear me? Every year, kids go missing in Jamaica. Families are crying, communities are scared, and media talk about it a lot. But where are the celebrities? They have the power to get people talking, to raise awareness, yet they are silent. That's kind of weird, right? Now, some say it's about pressure in Jamaica. Celebrities can get a lot of backlash just for speaking out. People might criticize them, yes, call them troublemakers, or even threaten them. So some of them stay quiet just to keep safe or keep their careers going. And let's be real, guys. Some might feel like their voice won't make a difference. Like, what can a singer or an athlete really do about kids going missing? They might think, why bother if nothing will change? That kind of thing keeps them from speaking out. Plus, there's fear. Jamaica isn't exactly the safest place sometimes, especially if you are speaking about crime or corruption. Celebrities might worry about threats to their family or even their own safety if they get vocal. So it's not just about being selfish or uncaring. There are real fears and pressures that make them stay quiet. But here's the thing. They can use their influence for good. They can help shine a light on the crisis and push for action. That's what needs to happen. We need more celebrities to break free from the fear and speak out. Their voices matter. They can help bring change, raise awareness, and even pressure authorities to do better. So yeah, the silence isn't just about indifference. It's about fear, pressure, and feeling powerless. But if more of them step up, maybe things will start to change. Kids like Jayden Smith need the world to notice. And guys, I have put out a lot of videos on here about Jaden Smith missing. And I see some people are talking about the people that they're supposed to not interview, interrogate. Some of them have left the island. I don't know how true that is. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think celebrities should speak out more? Let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real talk. Peace out.